think the most important message is to remember that as an individual, you matter. I think every one of us is born onto this planet with a role to play. Some people never find that role, but I truly believe that we're here for a reason, and finding out that reason is really, really important. And to remember that every single day, every one of us lives, we make an impact on the planet. And we are lucky we can choose the kind of impact we make. My main hope is in the young people, and they are actually changing the world in the best possible way. And whatever happens, whether they're in China, whether they're in the US, or wherever they are, they're keeping hope bubbling under the surface, ready to rise up strong. So I want to end up by thanking the people who've made my life possible.